Hey traders, ever feel like your TradingView chart is just too cluttered with indicators, drawings, and custom settings piling up? Today, I'm going to show you the new updated way to reset your TradingView charts so you can start fresh every time. Stick around because this trick will save you time and make your analysis way cleaner. First, let's open your chart settings. Launch TradingView and head to your chart. Look for the gear icon. That's your settings. Click it and you'll see a window pop up. Now, go to the Canvas tab. Here, you'll find the template section. Simply click Apply Default and hit OK. This resets your chart to its default style, clearing colors, scales, and templates, but it doesn't remove drawings or indicators yet. Next, let's clear all objects from your chart. On the left toolbar, find the trash can icon. Click it and a menu will appear giving you options to remove different elements. Select Delete Drawings, Indicators, and any other objects you've added. Make sure to confirm each prompt. It's quick, and in just a few clicks, your chart is a completely blank slate, ready for new setups or fresh analysis. And here's a pro tip. After resetting, you can save this clean template so you can quickly apply it anytime, avoiding clutter in the future. And that's it. A clean reset TradingView chart in just a few simple steps. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more trading tips, and comment below with your favorite chart setup. Stay sharp and happy trading.